failed to score on 3 occasions in their 38-game league season. With the ball given away here. It runs on for Oscar Schwartau. Amankwa Forson with a chance. And that is the game's first real chance for Norwich. And Forson shot well held by Kane van Overlen in goal for Volendam. Brandley Kouas looking here for Ozan Kukcu again, who's had a dangerous half so far, the Azerbaijani winger. Liliendahl. Deron Payne's pass. And Grimshaw makes the save with the legs. Nunez. Duffy. Into Seeley. And Duffy's come a long way here. But he took on the shot there from distance. Well, Shane Duffy, what a goal that could have been for the Canaries. Behind the pole, the throw taken by Liliendahl. Van Overlen pressured and he had to turn away there from Amankwa Forson. Gibson Yar's back pass, oh, off the post, and there's Schwartau. It stays out somehow, but there the back pass by Gibson Yar off his own post. Schwartau could not apply the finish with the goalkeeper coming out to meet him. Best chance so far, a gift for Norwich. So here we go, the second half is underway. A goalless first half, though Norwich had the better chance of which there were. Can they find some goals now in the second period of the game? It's a promising run across towards Tavares. Oh, and deflected in. It's an own goal to start the second half. And Norwich get the opening goal via the helping hand of a defender from Volendam. It came off, I think, Xavier Biamba for the last touch. And that devilish cross gives the Canaries the 1-goal advantage. Seeley's run. Nunez. AJ Tavares! Oh, fine save. And the young boy of 15 there stings the goalkeeper's hands with a rocket shot. And Van Overlen there to deny him a first goal for the senior team, and my goodness, he looks a prospect already. Nunez on the corner. Runs on here, and there a second goal. Schwartau. Well, no foul was seen by the officials. Goal not allowed to stand. To the possession of Alex Platt. Good run here by Liliendahl. Works it wide for Volendam, who level the game. Well, the second half begins with a couple of goals, and Louis Molden couldn't respond there to keep that one out. As Volendam make it 1-1 early in the second half. Here is Eulers. Checks out now to Liliendahl. Liliendahl shot, held well by goalkeeper Molden. Cleared by Molden. Towards Cork, away there by Ugwu for Volendam. Domoratsky. AJ Tavares. Oh, still AJ Tavares with a run and shot. This young man, make a note of his name. The way he's shone in this second half, can see he is a player who is oozing potential. Williams. Towler. Well, full time. And this one ends all square. The 2 goals scored early in the second half by Volendam players. An own goal gave the Canaries the lead in the second half's first minute before, soon after, a goal to make it 1-1. Aurelio Eulers to level for Volendam as the Canaries begin their 4-game training camp with a draw here against the Dutch second division champions. The final score today, it ends Volendam 1, Norwich City 1.